Here are 30 easy and natural American phrases you can use in everyday conversation. 1. No sweat. Very casual way to say, don't worry. Example, thanks for your help. No sweat. 2. Don't worry about it. Simple and direct way to calm someone down. Example, I forgot to bring it. Don't worry about it. 3. Chill out. Tell someone to relax. Casual. Example, I think I ruled everything. Chill out. It's fine. 4. It's minor. Say this when the problem is very small. Example, I scratched the table. It's minor. Don't stress. 5. All set. Say this when everything's good now. Example, need help with that? Nope, all set. 6. I'm not mad. Reassure someone you're not upset. Example, I broke your pen. Hey, I'm not mad. 7. That's nothing. Say this when it's barely an issue. Example, I owe you $5. That's nothing. 8. Don't make a thing out of it. Use this when someone's overreacting. Example, I ruined the plan. Don't make a thing out of it. 9. We're all good. To confirm everything's okay. Example, are we cool? Yeah, we're all good. 10. Just the hiccup. Use this when something small went wrong. Example, we had a delay. Just the hiccup, no worries. 11. No sweat off my back. Casual way to say it didn't affect you. Example, hope I didn't trouble you. No sweat off my back. 12. No foul. Short for no harm, no foul. Example, I borrowed your charger. No foul. 13. Don't lose sleep over it. Reassure someone not to worry at all. Example, I feel bad about it. Don't lose sleep over it. 14. It's behind us. Say this to move on from a mistake. Example, sorry again. It's behind us. 15. We're cool. Another way to say there's no issue between people. Example, are we okay? Yeah, we're cool. 16. Doesn't matter. Say this when it really isn't important. Example, did I mess it up? Doesn't matter. 17. It's done. Tell someone to stop worrying about it now. Example, should I fix it? No need, it's done. 18. I've moved on. Use this to say you're over it. Example, still mad? Nah, I'm over it. 19. No stress. Casual way to say, don't worry. Example, I was late again. No stress. 20. It's nothing serious. Reassure someone it's not important. Example, I lost the paper. It's nothing serious. 21. We can fix it. Say this to calm someone about a mistake. Example, I broke it. No worries, we can fix it. 22. Not worth fussing over. Say this when the issue isn't worth worrying about. Example, sorry for the mix-up. Not worth fussing over. 23. Small stuff. Use this for minor issues. Example, I forgot one detail. That's small stuff. 24. I'm over it. Say this to show you're not upset anymore. Example, still mad? Nah, I'm over it. 25. Water under the bridge. Idiom meaning it's in the past. Example, sorry about last time. It's water under the bridge. 26. That's chill. Very casual way to say that's okay. Example, I was loud. That's chill. 27. Let's move on. Say this to shift focus from a mistake. Example, that didn't go well. Let's move on. 28. Life goes on. Reassure someone that everything will be fine. Example, I lost the game. Life goes on. 29. These things happen. Use this to normalize a mistake. Example, I missed the deadline. These things happen. 30. I'm cool with it. Say this to show you're okay. Example, I changed the plan. I'm cool with it.